TOEFL Random Vocabulary.
Hello everyone, here's today's vocabulary. Brood, potential, drowsy, airborne, exclude, condemn, and undergo. Brood. Brood. It has been proven that certain dinosaurs brooded many eggs. It has been proven that certain dinosaurs brooded many eggs.
ある種の恐竜は多くの卵を抱いていたということが証明されている。
It has been proven that certain dinosaurs brooded many eggs. Potential. Potential. She is a potential candidate for mayor. She is a potential candidate for mayor.
彼女は州知事になる可能性のある候補者だ。
She is a potential candidate for mayor. Drowsy. Drowsy. Due to overnight work, many students felt drowsy. Due to overnight work, many students felt drowsy.
徹夜の勉強で多くの生徒たちは眠くなった。
Due to overnight work, many students felt drowsy. Airborne. Airborne. The epidemic was caused by airborne bacteria. The epidemic was caused by airborne bacteria.
その伝染病は浮遊細菌によって引き起こされた。
The epidemic was caused by airborne bacteria. Exclude. Exclude. The advertised price excludes the sales tax. The advertised price excludes the sales tax.
広告価格には消費税が含まれていません。
The advertised price excludes the sales tax. Condemn. Condemn. Schools condemn cheating in exams. Schools condemn cheating in exams.
学校は試験での不正行為を非難する。
Schools condemn cheating in exams. Undergo. Undergo. I have never undergone such an amazing experience. I have never undergone such an amazing experience.
今までにこんな素晴らしい経験をしたことがない。
I have never undergone such an amazing experience.
Thanks for watching. Remember, listen, repeat, and listen again. See you next time.